Illicit liquor flood is the more dangerous thing. Illicit liquor flood, sir. Home Minister, sir. Home Minister, sir. Home Minister, I am requesting you. Illicit liquor is going on. That is the flood. That kind of flood we are facing. I request Honorable Hamida ji, I am requesting you. In Tamil Nadu, illicit liquor flood is going on.
Please
How
take
to
your
save
seat.
the country from that flood? That illicit liquor.
Dr. A.M. Thambedurai. Please, Dr. Thambedurai, wait for me. Yes.
Deputy Chairman,
Tell me
sir.
the rule. Tell me the rule.
238, sir. 238. Sir, my honourable colleague,
Tell me which clause.
Sir, member while speaking shall not misleading the House, sir. Sir, I would like to clarify.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank
Sir,
you.
just a minute, sir.
Dr. Thambedurai, it's not point of order. You are critical.
Deputy Chairman, sir, on behalf of my leader Edappadi Palaniswamy, I like to participate in the discussion disaster management bill, sir. Sir, you know very well, we have witnessed tsunami in Tamil Nadu 2004. At that time, Madam Jayalalitha was the Chief Minister of the state. She took a lot of efforts to save the people, especially poor people and all fishermen. Same way, sir, Edappadi Palaniswamy, when he was the Chief Minister, he also faced many floods, but he managed very well, helped the poor people. But even though you request the central government, they have given some fund. It is not sufficient for us. In spite of that, our ADM government managed to help the poor people, sir. But, sir, I want to join with our Lakshmanan something said regarding the Chennai thing, sir. For getting the correct situation, state government really needs fund from the center, sir. During the DMK government, Chennai is reported spent 4,000 crores on drainage system Chennai. And Chief Minister claimed no further flood will submerge in the city in Chennai. Sir, but immediately thereafter, the whole Chennai went under the water due to the flooding. What happened to the 4,000 spent on the drainage system? Where did the money went for drainage system?
No
Sir,
comments while
and
sitting,
also,
please.
Sir, I want to say, sir, every time they are criticizing central government. They are not giving sufficient money. But for that, whether the government keep quiet, state government, it's the duty of the government to serve the people. But what ADMK did, same thing. We cannot go and blame the central government. We also joining, requesting, get the money for state government. We are not inferior to that. But what is happening in Uti also, all the things are cut and treated by the DMK government people. The ministers are there. Sir,
Rajesh Kumar, please take your seat.
I want to make, sir.
Nothing is going on. Take your seat.
Tamil Nadu, illicit liquor flood is the more dangerous thing. Illicit liquor flood, sir. Home Minister, sir. Home Minister, sir. Home Minister, I am requesting you. Illicit liquor is going on. That is the flood. That kind of flood we are facing. I request Honorable Hamida ji, I am requesting you. In Tamil Nadu, illicit liquor flood is going on.
Please
How
take
to
your
save the
seat.
country from that flood? That illicit liquor, drainage system. Therefore, I am requesting, sir, and Minister, you have to save the government
Please.
from the DMK rule. The corruption is the number one. Flood is the corruption.
Let him
Sir,
speak. Rajesh.
Sir, this corruption. Therefore, I am requesting. See, yes, sir, I am telling the Tamil Nadu government, present government, misusing the whole money, diverting the money. They are not carrying the money.
Thank you.
I request take action.
Thank you. Conclude.